In this video, I will be solving a problem that is an application of the hypergeometric distribution. The problem says like this. Assume that we have a used car lot that contains 9 cars of make A, 10 cars of make B, and 6 cars of make C. 10 cars are selected randomly. What is the probability that 6 of them are of make A and 4 of them are of make B? So we are taking sample without replacement from a population of 9 plus 10 plus 6, 25 cars. So it will be, because the samples is without replacement, we are going to use the hypergeometric distribution for solving this problem. So the solution will be this. So will be the probability that we obtain 6 of make A, 4 of make B, and 0 from make C. So we can type probability of 6, 4, 0, and it will be the total number of combination of 6 cars, and this is cars are taken from a population that have 9 cars of make A, so will be 9 choose 6, so will be this 6 taken from a population that contains 9, multiplied by the combinations, the number of combinations of 4 cars taken from a group of 10 cars. See here that there are 10 cars of make B and we are selecting 4 of them. So will be C 10 4 or 10 choose 4. And finally, the number of cars of make C will be 0. So there will be in the 10 of the sample 6 of make A, 4 of make B, but none of make C. So will be combination of 0 cars taken from a population that contains 6 cars of this make. And everything divided by the total number of combinations, the total number of possible samples that can be taken from this population that have 25 cars. So it will be 25 choose 10. So we compute this, each of these numbers, C96. You can use your calculator to compute each of these combinations. The combinations of 9 choose 6 will be 9 combination 6 will be 84 times the combinations of 10 choose 4, it will be 210, and finally the combination 6 0 will be 1, so there will be 1 here. Everything divided by the number of combinations taken from a population of 25. How many sample obtained? So it will be 3,268,760. So we multiply these numbers here, 84 times 210 times 1, and divided by these 3,268,760. And this equal to 0.0054. And that's give you the probability that you obtain in the sample 6 cars of make A and 4 cars of make B. And that finishes this problem. Thank you.